Hi everyone, this is U.S. immigration lawyer Michael Ashoori, and in today's video we're going to talk about the K-1 visa processing time. We're going to take you through each step of the process from the start all the way to the green card, and we're going to go through each of the different steps and their respective processing times. Hopefully you guys find this video very helpful. So as a quick intro, what is a K-1 visa? K-1 visa is a way for a U.S. citizen to apply for their fiancé to come to the United States. Once the fiancé enters the United States, the couple can get married, and after the couple gets married, the fiancé can apply for their green card in the United States by doing something called an adjustment of status. So that's kind of the overall process. It basically takes, from the start of the process, it takes about 9 to 12 months to get the fiancé into the United States. So it takes about 9 months to a year for the fiancé to come to the United States. Once they're in the United States and they get married, it takes about another 9 months or so to complete the process of applying for the adjustment of status and getting their green card through the adjustment of status. So that's kind of a general overview. And with that overview, let's go through the step-by-step analysis. So what you're here for, what is the K-1 visa processing time? Step 1 is to file the form I-129F. This is the initial form that the U.S. citizen files with USCIS to apply for the fiancé visa. This form takes about 5 to 7 months to process. And it's the very first step that needs to take place. Once this form gets approved, again, it takes about 5 to 7 months. The next step is to file a form DS-160 to attend a visa interview and to get the fiancé visa. The DS-160 is the application for non-immigrant visa, and it's filed online by the foreign fiancé. From the time that form is filed, they will also have to attend an interview at a consulate or an embassy, likely in their home country. And so for this whole process to take place, where they file the DS-160, attend the interview, and get the fiancé visa, that process takes about 3 to 5 months. And again, once they get the fiancé visa stamped in the passport, now they can enter the United States. So entry to the United States can happen immediately after getting the fiancé visa. They can book a flight and come to the United States. Once you're in the United States, the way the fiancé visa works is that once the foreign fiancé comes to the United States, the couple is supposed to get married within 90 days. So however soon you want to get married is basically, it's on a case-by-case basis depending on the couple, but you basically have 90 days from the time the fiancé enters the United States to get married to the U.S. citizen. So this can take, as I've listed here, it can take anywhere from 0 to 3 months, depending on how fast you get married. And so that's the third step in the process. After the couple gets married, the next step is for the fiancé, the foreign fiancé, to apply for the adjustment of status. The adjustment of status is the process of basically applying for a green card. And this is done by filing a form I-485 with USCIS. This form, the I-485, takes about 7 to 9 months to process. So again, from the time you file the form I-485, it takes an additional 7 to 9 months. So just as a quick overview and a recap, we have the form I-129F. That's the first form that gets filed, and that takes about 5 to 7 months to process. After the form I-129F, you have the DS-160, which takes another roughly 3 to 5 months. Then the foreign fiancé comes to the United States. Once they're in the United States, they have between 0 and 3 months to get married. And once they get married, once the couple gets married, the next step is to file the adjustment of status, which is the form I-485, which takes 7 to 9 months to process. So as you know, that's kind of a general idea about times that you can expect for the K1 visa processing time. Now, I'm also going to include a link in the description below where you can check current USCIS processing times. So, this video is as of the processing times that we're seeing as of the time of right now, when this video is being posted. But USCIS processing times are quite fluid. They're susceptible to change. So to know what the most accurate processing time is at the time that you're viewing this video, it's best to click on the link that I've put down below. Now, I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If so, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our channel. When you like, it really helps us. And by subscribing, you'll get notified of all of the US immigration videos that we're posting. We post US immigration videos regularly. And the best way to stay in touch and stay in the loop is by subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, I've put our contact details in the description below. Below you can find my email address, phone number, and I've also included a special link where you can schedule a free consultation with my office. So if you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and click the consultation link below, schedule a consultation. We would be happy to discuss with you. As always, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and we'll see you on the next one.